Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are talking about an idiomatic expression or a saying in English that we often come across in movies, and that is smelling a rat. To smell a rat. I smell a rat. What does that mean? In English conversation, it's very common in English conversation, and it just means that you feel there is something wrong. So in order to walk you through the exact meaning of this expression, I will just go through a narrative conversation between two people, and I'll do the conversation of the first speaker and the second speaker because there's nobody with me to talk. To smell a rat is to feel like there's something wrong going on. You don't know what it is, but you feel that there is something wrong going on. So I'll just walk you through this conversation, and from that conversation, I want you to highlight any words that are not familiar to you. Try to learn them, jot them down in a small notebook, and I promise you'll get to a point of understanding of this idiomatic expression and also learn other ones. So I hope that this is a good opportunity to you to understand this expression and how it's incorporated in daily conversation. So let's jump to the conversation. There are two expressions that I thought of highlighting to you. First one is feel. When you feel that something is wrong, you say, I smell a rat. For example, how come the front door is open? Didn't you close it before we went shopping? Well, I'm sure I did, but I can't understand it. Frankly, I smell a rat. Me too. I'm convinced that something is definitely wrong here. We'd better call the police. أني دا أشتم ريحة فدفار ميت أو شيء مثل هذا القبيل. دا نقول باللغة العربية تحديدا هاي الترجمة دقيقة. But in English, I smell a rat. It means you're feeling something is wrong. Now, can we use that formally in English? Well, it depends. Unless you are talking to the Prime Minister or the President of the country, I recommend that you don't use this expression in formal English, but in conversational English, if this pop out and you see it in front of you, that's what it means. It means you're feeling that something is wrong. أو أكو شيء خطأ بالموضوع. I smell a rat. You've seen this conversation and you've seen how they went through the conversation and what they meant. And that's literally what it means, that you feel that there is something is wrong. I feel something's wrong. How come the front door is open? Didn't you close it before we went shopping? I'm sure I did. I can't understand it. Frankly, I smell a rat. Me too. I'm convinced that something is definitely wrong here. We'd better call the police. Thanks so much. This is the first expression that we have in our series. So stay tuned, and we're looking forward to see you in another important idiomatic expression in conversational English. كان معكم مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.